Hi, hello, welcome to the Tempting Bites. Let's wait for a few more minutes so that more people can join. 5 मिनट रुकेंगे so that और people join हो सके, then we'll start. This won't be live on YouTube, but I'll be surely uploading this on YouTube as well as Insta and Facebook. How are you all? Tell me, how's your new year been? 16 days of 2022. I'm good, I'm very good, thank you. Let's see what we are going to do today. देखेंगे आज क्या करने वाले हैं. So strawberry, the main season of strawberry, January, February, Valentine's का main ingredient strawberry, correct? Chocolate dip strawberry almost सबने बनाया भी होगा, खाया भी होगा, I guess. Yeah, I am taking offline, but not all the courses. Few courses I am taking offline. We are based in Thane, Maharashtra. You can connect on DM to know more details. So I was telling कि chocolate strawberry तो सबने खाया होगा, chocolate dipped strawberry and all. So let's do something new. Barks बनाएंगे. Today we are going to make strawberry barks. Let's see the ingredients first. So here our main ingredient strawberry. Okay. Then here also I have strawberry, but I have cut the strawberries into smaller pieces. ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी strawberry है, वो बड़ा pieces है. These are smaller pieces. Then here I have few sprinkles with me. This and this. Then यहाँ पे मेरे पास डस्ट है, ग्लिटर और डस्ट है, गोल्डन एंड रेड. ओके, ये दिस इज आर डार्क प्लस मिल्क चॉकलेट. माय स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी नो व्हाट इट इज. दिस इज आर वाइट चॉकलेट कंपाउंड्स. एंड यहाँ पे मेरे पास रेड चॉकलेट है विच इज इन पाइपिंग बैग. ठीक है, सो हम लोग दो वे से करेंगे. फर्स्ट वे से हम लोग पहले करेंगे, then I'll set that in freeze. I'll take few questions regarding the online diploma और जो government certificate का questions I have received. Then I'll show you the packing. So I'll show you a different packing method for barks this time. This is a love book. Almost सब लोग ने देखा होगा, familiar भी हो गए इसके साथ. Okay, this is a love book. So I'll be showing you how you can pack it in this. चलो, we'll start making then. So firstly what I have done is I have a tray. You can take any tray. उसके ऊपर मैंने parchment paper लगा लिया है. Now the first thing to remember, you cannot put chocolate directly onto any plates except your molds. Otherwise you won't be able to take it out from the plate. प्लेट पे हमेशा चॉकलेट जब रखते हो, जब बनाते हो, यू हैव टू कंपल्सरीली कीप अ पार्चमेंट और बटर पेपर इन दी बेस सो दैट यू कैन ईजिली रिमूव द चॉकलेट्स आउट फ्रॉम दी प्लेट और ट्रे और वॉट एवर यू आर यूजिंग. ठीक है, सो जो हम लोग सबसे फर्स्ट बना रहे हैं, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू मेक यूजिंग वाइट चॉकलेट. ठीक है, तो हम लोग बाक्स बना रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली बाक्स हैज़ नो शेप्स टू इट. सो फर्स्टली विल टेक वाइट चॉकलेट. थोड़ा सा वाइट चॉकलेट बेस में डालेंगे. नाउ फॉर दिस यू कैन टेक एनी चॉकलेट ऑफ योर चॉइस. ठीक है. देन जैसे मैंने आपको बताया रेड चॉकलेट है मेरे पास. लेट मी माइक्रोवेव दिस फॉर 30 seconds. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. ठीक है. Here I have white chocolate with me. I'll just red chocolate with me. I'll just drizzle. Then you can take this thing, or you can also take skewers. Okay. We'll take this and just mix it randomly. Let's take classic chocolate. Okay. We'll tap the plate first. Do not make it too thin. इसको बहुत पतला नहीं करना है. Okay. इस पे मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी कट डाल रही हूँ. द अदर वन वी विल डू, उसमें आई विल बी पुटिंग होल स्ट्रॉबेरीज. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग द स्ट्रॉबेरी. स्ट्रॉबेरी के लिए व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज you have to first properly wash the strawberries. Take good quality strawberries, wash the strawberries properly, cut them and dry it properly. Okay, when you are using it, it should be very much dry, it should not be wet. आपका strawberries गीला नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, let's add few sprinkles. So थोड़े हार्ड स्प्रिंकल्स डाल रही हूँ मैं. This is a red glitter. I'll take that. So this is a white base. Now remember, not everyone likes sweet chocolate. So जिनको स्वीट नहीं चाहिए, यू कैन पुट दी बेस एज द क्लासिक, जो डार्क चॉकलेट का है, जो हम लोग नेक्स्ट करेंगे वो. ओके, लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. So this you have to keep it in freeze or freezer, whatever, it's your choice. So I am keeping it in freezer because we want this to be set very fast so that I can show you the packing as well. So I am keeping this in freezer. Just give me a moment. So we'll make the next one. Now as I told you, for the second one we are going to use the base as classic or dark plus milk chocolate. Okay, so we'll take this. Do not make it too thick, but at the time do not make it too thin also. We'll first tap this. swirl of red chocolate, white chocolate and classic. Okay, again let's mix this. In winters, be little quick, chocolate sets very fast. We'll tap it. You can use palette knife also. Okay, then we'll take the strawberries. Okay, to this let's add some red hearts. Okay, now on the top I'll add some golden, or you can add bronze dust as well. Okay, so we'll take this. Dust is just to give the shine to your chocolate. It looks very good. Your chocolate shines very good. Okay, see, looks good. So I have shown you two ways, with the white base and with the dark or classic base, with whole strawberries and also with small cut strawberries. Do you have any doubts in this? I'll just put this in freeze. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment section. Any questions? So if you are using fresh fruit, the shelf life is going to be less, approximately 5 to 6 days. But if you can alternatively also use the candied strawberries, then for that the shelf life will be for 15-20 days easily. Do not keep fresh strawberries without freeze. It will spoil. You can use candied and dry strawberries also. Yes, definitely you can use. For that the shelf life will also be more. Okay, so till the time our chocolate is setting in freeze, let me take few questions which I had got on yesterday's question poll. So you must already know that we are now government certified. All our workshops are under government certifications. So it's your choice to apply for government certificate. We have two choices. One is you can do all our workshops without government certificates, or you can do it with government certificates. That is completely your choice. Alright. So if you opt for with government certificates, अगर हमारे पास दो वे है, विदाउट गवर्नमेंट सर्टिफिकेट के वर्कशॉप्स भी होते हैं, विथ सर्टिफिकेट्स के वर्कशॉप भी होते हैं. सो यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर एनी, इट्स कम्प्लीटली योर चॉइस, आपका चॉइस है. बट आई एम गेटिंग वेरी मच क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग द गवर्नमेंट सर्टिफिकेट. सो लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू, आप जब भी गवर्नमेंट सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए ऑप्ट करते हो, व्हेन यू ऑप्ट फॉर गवर्नमेंट सर्टिफिकेट, फर्स्टली we give your names to the government authority. There your name is registered. From them we get the certificates and then we courier it to your place, your location, your home. ठीक है, you get home deliver, you get that certificate home delivered, right? So that is the first thing. And what are the uses? If you want to opt for maybe say license, FSSAI license or shop license, that can be used for government and public sector jobs, that can be used. You can also call yourself a professional chocolatier if you are opting for diploma courses. So when you are doing diploma courses, you can call yourself a professional chocolatier. That will help you a lot. Okay, so regarding the diploma batches, you can get in touch with us either on WhatsApp or on Instagram. It's in February. We have 3 seats left for government certification. So we have 3 seats left for government certification for February. You can get in touch with us. If you want to opt for offline courses, we are based in Thane, Maharashtra. If you are living nearby here, diploma courses can also be opt for offline. So online, if you go for online courses, you get lifetime access to the videos, whatever it is, whichever course you are opting for. For all the courses, for online batches, you get lifetime access for the videos. For offline batches, you get hands-on experience. So everything is made by you in offline courses. Let me take the chocolate out. Give me a moment. Okay, can you see? Looks good. We'll just take it out. See how easily it has come out of the paper, right? Now what we are going to do is, we are going to just break it into pieces. Now pieces depends on you. You can make smaller pieces, you can make bigger pieces, but since we want that to put inside this is a love book. Okay, so we have to put it inside this, so we are going to do smaller pieces. ठीक है, छोटे छोटे पीस करेंगे. Okay, now this is a bag, smaller bag. We'll take this, put it inside. You can alternatively also add cling wrap to it. ठीक है, आप cling wrap भी लगा सकते हो. Then we'll open the seal. Okay, we'll open this. And you can seal it up. Okay, नीचे आप जो दूसरा आपने वेरिएशन बनाया है वो भी डाल सकते हो, और else you can completely fill with this. Just remember, make it thin so that it can fit inside, and आप उसके ऊपर ये फिट करके इसको बंद कर सकते हो. Okay, looks good. Anything else? Any more questions? Like today's workshop? I'll be uploading the photo of this as well. Fresh strawberries wali chocolate, as I told you, it stays for 4 to 5 days, but keep it in freeze, not outside. Yes, ये workshop will be saved on our Instagram, on our Facebook as well as on our YouTube channel. It will be up on our all platforms by the end of today. Thank you so much. Share this video. Share it to more and more people so that everyone can enjoy making this. And gift it to your loved ones, your parents, your siblings. Chalo, then we'll end the live session. Thank you.